everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. Today we're gonna learn this character. This is 骗, 骗, and it have another pronunciation. 偏, 偏. Okay, let's see what's this character originally like. It's like this. And now, the traditional character is as same as the simplified character. It means slice, strip. Let's see 偏. Actually, even though it have two pronunciations, but they share the same meaning. Except when this character in certain words, it changed pronunciation into 偏. For example, 照片 means photo. 影片 means film. Okay, let's see how to remember this character. I turn it a little bit. And now, I stretch it. So, use your imagination. What's this like? So, do you know what's this? You're right. It's a bed. But actually, 片 means slice, strip. Doesn't have the meaning of bed. So, it's not this part, nor this part of the bed. Actually, it originally means the wooden strip. It means something flat and thin. Now, can you remember this character? If the answer is yes, let's write it. I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together. We are going to write this character for 3 times. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strokes in this character. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope you could practice it by yourself. Now let's see how to use this character. First, it means some flat and thin things. For example, the card is 卡片, 卡片, 卡片. Business card is 名片, 名片, 名片. Second, it could use as a measure word, means slice, tablet. For example, 2 aspirin tablets, that is 2片阿司匹林2片阿司匹林2片阿司匹林 The third meaning, used for stretches of land or water. For example, 一片汪洋一片汪洋一片汪洋一片树林一片树林一片树林 Okay, so much for 片 today. I'll see you next time. Bye!